Alright, so I just got back. I picked up a couple of games. They're all really, really expensive at the one place. They're like at least $14. I found this one for the kids to play, or maybe even myself, maybe. $7.99 for the Xbox Platinum Family Hits. Play episode 1, 2, and 3. So I thought, well, that's not too bad. And then I went over to the thrift store and found the other stores. There was a bunch of really good games the other day, and for some reason I grabbed them and I was thinking about buying them, and I was like, but I don't have an Xbox original. So, and of course, 2 days later I buy one. So I missed out on some good games. There was like a Halo game and some other Star Wars Lego stuff, and I don't remember what else. But this is unopened. It's still in the wrapper. Star Wars Battlefront 2. I don't know if it's any good, but anyway, we've got it if we need a game to play. And then just because it was there, Cabela's Big Game Hunter. So, I mean, it's $3, not, $9 to $14. So, and then now, as long as this thing works, I'll be able to find these every once in a while as they pop up. So, and here's the controller that I bought. I don't know about this funny little light spot on it, if it's like actually supposed to be like that, but whatever. So, we're just adjusting the date on here. And so it is the 18th of 2001. That's how old this is. And there we go. We just went 14 years later. Okay, see if we... So, we got a free game inside of this thing because the disc was stuck. So let's see if it works. It looks like it's working. And also, when I went to the game place, somebody reminded me that you need the Tom Clancy game. It might be Rainbow Six. And then you put that game in the Xbox and somehow you exploit it. So, let's see. I don't really remember this. I think I might have had this game on PlayStation 2. Wow. Alright, so it works. We can't really record it because there's music on here, so anyway, that's it for now. I guess we can record that part. When I see them walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business. Well, I don't know if I remember this game or not. Friend to keep him busy out of town. Okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action. But it's all drugs, Sonny. None of the families will touch that shit. Time to change it. The families can't keep their backs turned while our enemies reap the rewards. So, we send someone down.